Hi friends, it's Julia. Today I'm here to share a layout that I created for the best of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Don't know why that's so hard to say every single time. Anywho, today's sketch was originally in Series 5 and it was day 23. And the credit is given to Scrapbooking Lauren Tides Inc. as the creator of the sketch. Anyway, I will show you a close-up of that sketch here in just a minute, but let me show you what I have pulled in as far as embellishments and all that jazz go. You guys know, let's see, I've pulled in a couple of photos, and I have pulled in my scraps again. These are all of my scraps that I have from both collections, and then of course my border strips right there. I pulled in this page. The cut-aparts I'm not going to use because I've previously used them, so I pulled that in as my background page, my background paper, and then the scraps, of course. I also have my tray of embellishments here, and I have any number of things: wood veneer, cut-aparts, ephemera bits and pieces. There's tons of stuff in here to pull from, and I'll just choose whatever, whenever. Then I went through, let me pull my photos to the side. I went through and I pulled my sticker sheets and that kind of thing. I pulled in a couple of sets of puffy stickers. This sheet, you can see I've used most of it up, and I have just a partial sheet left here, and then I have most of this sheet. So I pulled those in for my title. Then I pulled in this puffy sticker. There's some chevron-y type arrows, and so I pulled this in thinking I might try and use those, but they may not be big enough, but we'll see. I pulled in some labels. One sheet is partial, the other sheet I haven't used. I've pulled in these stickers. I've pulled in this sheet, and I have two of this one. I have used a couple of pieces from here, but this one is got tons of use on it. Chipboard, I've pulled those, this, and this. So I have tons of stuff to play with. It's just a matter of figuring out what I want to create with. And I have both of my small, my gold and white and my silver and white tile letters to play with, to figure out if I want to create a subtitle or even journaling with those. So we'll see as I go along, but in the meantime I'm going to show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created for today's sketch for the best of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Ha! I said it. Anyway, be right back. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you what I did not use. I didn't use most everything in here. I used a couple of wood veneer out of here, but that's it. Otherwise I didn't use anything else from there. I did not use, I had two of these label sheets. I only used one of them, not this one. I did not use either of those sticker pages or any of the chipboard pieces. You know, I have this one in sticker form. I use the stickers, but not any of the chipboard pieces. I have also stickers of this one, which I did not use any of these. And, of course, I have stickers of those here, and I did not use any of those chipboard pieces. So all of it will go back into my stash. What I did use was some of these blings. I cut them individual pieces. I won't use this big flourish on anything, and so rather than toss it out or get rid of it, I just cut those pieces off a little at a time and used them. It had another whole flourish down here that I've already used. This is one in its entirety, and you can see when I compare them, they go like this. So I've used this swirl here and most of this swirl from here. I did use those little chevron arrows there, and I did use the two words from this sticker sheet. I cut them off because I wanted to move them around a little bit, so I have both of those used up. I did use the gold small tile alphabet to embellish my title. Here's the label sheet, and I did use one of those. Here I added in this sheet of paper to back my photos, and I used all of my scraps just about. Yeah, and I added this one. Yeah, this was another 12 by 12 sheet of paper that I pulled in and used a little bit of. So I have all of that. And then here's the sticker sheet. I did use one of those. I used the piece that was up here. It was a, let's see if I can find it on the chipboard piece. I don't think I've used it off from there yet. Maybe. Maybe not. No, I have. Oh, these aren't exactly the same, but they're close. Anywho, so it was one from here, and then I used the two houses and the bird cage. From this one, I used these two pieces down here and this piece from here. And that's just the second one of those. And here is the layout that I created. You can see all of the pattern paper that I was able to get onto this layout is a ton of pattern paper. I tried pulling two of each, like this black with the floral, this one, these two, there's a solid black right there, there's the other black, there's a wood grain there, and a wood grain there. That's the only one that I have just one of, and I didn't put one right behind the photo. Anywho, there's that rectangular sticker. I fussy cut it and put it here. Family is home. There's the wood veneer on each piece here. There's the stickers that I added on. I just popped them up with some foam adhesive. The banner pieces that I put here. The two little houses here. And then all those little bits of bling I added in around. And so let me get it up here a little bit closer so you can see a little bit more detail. And I will have close-up photos at the end. There's my label that I added in. I just tucked it in right in there and put the date on it. I really didn't have to because it'll go in the album with other layouts of the same story. That's it for this layout. And this is it for day number 14. I'll be back tomorrow with another layout for day 15. And I think for day 15, I'm going to use this kit. And then once day 15 is done, then I'm going to transfer over to my June Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. I don't have too much left as far as paper goes from this kit, but I want to switch over and use that May kit because I'm feeling the need to change things up a little bit. Anywho, I appreciate you guys being here. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.